Hey everyone, today I'm doing a video on my 3 favorite discs. First we have the Berg. It's my main kind of like approach upshot disc, and I love it. And I also like to do like a Anheuser, and it works. Second is the Pyro, and this is my overstable backhand, forehand. It does both for me, and it's a really good disc to have in the bag. And then last but not least, we have the Trail. It's my driver, go-to driver. The wind's down enough, I'm throwing this for distance. It's easy distance. It doesn't really take a whole lot to get there, but it's like my perfect speed and stability. I actually bag 2 of them. I have this one, and I also have this Proton plastic one, which is a little bit more stable than the Neutron plastic, but I bagged both of those. And the Trail, I've been trying the forehand. We'll give it a try here. We'll try the Captain's Thrasher for the first time. Oh, it's decently stable. Ooh.